Ssam, which is a Korean pickled radish that's used to wrap things. It's normally made of mu, a large Korean radish, but it's quite difficult to find that here in the UK. So I've experimented with different turnips, radishes that I can find at UK supermarkets and greengrocers, and is the closest in terms of taste and texture to the Mu Ssam that you can find in Korea. It's great for Korean barbecue. Bibimbap, you just slice it up. You can include it in Kimbap. Moving on to the ingredients, you only need vinegar, sugar, and water in equal amounts with a little bit of salt, plus the vegetable that you're going to be pickling. In this case, it's the muli. I've experimented with 3 or 4 different vinegars commonly sold in UK supermarkets, and I think that white wine vinegar is definitely the best for this recipe because it's lighter and crisper than the other vinegars. It's best to use white granulated sugar because of the color. Salt, I always use sea salt. Last ingredient is water. This dish is really easy to make, but the key is very thinly sliced muli. I really recommend a mandolin for that. You also need measuring cups, something to mix, a pickling jar with an airtight lid. Now I'm going to fill this jar with water to cover the muli. Just remember to leave a little bit at the top. It's half a cup. I need equal parts water, vinegar, sugar. That means 1/4 cup of water, vinegar, sugar, 1% salt. So basically it should be a bit salty. So I need 0.6 grams of salt.